AJ, you going off on my Instagram. I don't know where you been. Like, I don't know where you been. Where you been at? Look at it. I posted out pictures so long ago, bro.
I wanna be rich forever. I wanna be rich.
Hey everyone, hola mi amores. Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Adriana. In today's video, I'm giving you lavender vibes. I went full out with lavender today. I went crazy. I went crazy with the lip, with the eye, with everything. I just wanted to do something bold because I know you guys have been enjoying my bold eyeshadow looks lately. So I decided that I would come on YouTube and do another one, but in lavender. For those who want to wear lavender but scared to do it, I'm going to show you guys how I do it and my take on it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Comment down below. Let me know what video you want to see next. I know that you guys have been loving the bold makeup, so I've been bringing it for you guys. Let me know. Give all your suggestions of all the videos. Tell me what you want to see. Tell me what you love. Tell me if you love me, because I love you. Let's get started with this video. So the first thing that I'm going to do, it's very important that you do so, is prime your eyelid. If you want your vibrant looks to come out vibrant, it's very important that you prime your lid. So I'm taking my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in medium tawny, and I'm using this to prime my lid. So now I'm just going to push that concealer onto my lid. Do not move this concealer around because we want the color to show. Please forgive my little friends on my face. I guess they decided to come and play today. So now I'm going to go into my Morphe palette, and I'm going into the 35B palette. I've been loving this palette lately. It's just been my ride or die for bright colors. So I'm going to go into our transition color, and the transition color that I'm using is this lavender color right here. And this is going into our crease, and we're using it as our transition. I'm taking the Morphe M504 brush. Going back into our Morphe palette, I am taking this Barney color right here, and we're applying this right on top of our transition color using the same brush. We don't want to waste no brushes here. We're going to go back with the same brush. So we're just going to take it right under the transition, just right in the middle of the transition, and we're going to blend this out. Okay, so we're gonna go back into our Morphe palette, and I'm going to take this dark purple right here, and we're going to apply this to the outer edge of our lid. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M503 brush, and we're going to apply that color to the outer corner. Now going in with my Lime Crime Duo eyeshadow, and this is in Tutu and On Point, this color right there. I don't think you guys can see it, but when I place it on my lid, you'll see it. So basically, I'm taking that light color onto my lid to intensify the lavender color. And then I'm going to go back in with On Point, and we're just going to put this on top to make a nice lavender color. Okay, so now the next thing I'm going to do is apply my lashes, and I'm applying my Kiss Lash Couture Faux Mink collection from Wally Mart. Okay, so now I'm going to go back into my palette, and I'm going to go in with this lavender color here, and we're going to take a defined smudger. We're going to take our defined smudger brush and we're going to apply this on our waterline. And to open the eyes, I'm taking my ColourPop Luster Dust, and this is in Avoir. I don't know if I'm saying that right. And we're going to use this in the inner tear duct. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my lip liner, and the lip liner that I'm using is Spice by Kylie Cosmetics. We're going to use this to line our lips. Now I'm going in with my lipstick, and I'm using Sephora's own liquid lipstick line, and this is called Made in Italy. Now to tone it down a little bit, I'm going to go back in with my lip liner, and I'm just going to go on top. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my lip gloss. This is from MAC, and it's the Dazzle Glass line, and this is in... Guys, I wouldn't be able to tell you what this one is because it doesn't have a name. I'll find it on MAC and I'll link it to the description box. So we're going to apply this on top. I'm gonna go back with my liquid lipstick, and I'm just gonna go in the middle and use my finger to blend it in. Okay guys, so this is the end of the tutorial. If you do recreate this look and you're not comfortable with this bold lip, you can also downgrade the look by putting a nude lipstick. If you guys do recreate this, make sure you hashtag me on Instagram or tag me right into the picture. Actually, if you want to hashtag me and tag me in the picture, that's totally fine because I want to save this so that I can share it with my other subscribers on YouTube and also share it on my Snapchat if you guys do recreate this. Please don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms, Adriana Ohh for Instagram and Facebook, and also don't forget to follow me on my Snapchat, Adriana Oscar 95. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Love you guys. Bye.